Hey, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is how to add WhatsApp button, and how to link WhatsApp with Facebook page. Okay, someone don't know how to add WhatsApp because there's no option available in the page about section or something here that add. Some people what do they go into about section. Okay, in the about section there is a add social link. Okay, in social link someone click here and Instagram, and here's the WhatsApp. Someone just add a number here and save, and he and she thinks they can say they thinks that their number a link with the Facebook. uh, well, if you add number here, then your Facebook not link with WhatsApp. uh, if you add number here, I will show you. If you add number here, the 99993, okay, this is my WhatsApp number. If you add number here, then this number only show on the Facebook page info. Okay, like just only show here. This is not linked with your page. Means if you run ad, if you run ad campaign, then you are unable to add WhatsApp. Okay, so how to add WhatsApp number? Let's start the video and discuss how to add WhatsApp number. For this, you need a Facebook page. Just come into your Facebook page. You see the Facebook page. If you like to create this that type of Facebook page, and then go to into my channels and watch the video. And I briefly describe how to create Facebook page like this. Okay. For link a WhatsApp account with your Facebook page, just come into your Facebook page homepage. In the home page, you see the manage section. Okay, just click on the manage section. In the manage section, scroll down. In the left side, you see scroll down option. Just scroll down on that area. You find how to here so many options. Just you here you can find out link account. Okay, in the link account you see engage with your community across WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, you can also add here, you can also add from here link your Instagram, but my Instagram don't did not open in my in this browser. So in this time I will only link with WhatsApp. Okay, just click on the link accounts. When we link accounts, then Instagram here happen. In the second option, here's a WhatsApp. Okay, just click on the WhatsApp. You found here to add WhatsApp number. Okay, what are the benefits to attach WhatsApp with that? You get more messages. Okay, with the link with the WhatsApp with Facebook, you get more message in WhatsApp if you have a good audience in Facebook. Okay, show people your number. You get you show people number in the link form. Okay, uh, create WhatsApp ad. I tell you, you can create your WhatsApp ad and Facebook ad also. Okay, just write here your number. I have number 0204 889 This is my professional business number, and you can contact me if you need any social media services, yeah, YouTube monetization channel, YouTube watch time subscriber, and in social media service. Okay, just click on the send WhatsApp code. Okay, when you click on it, then code send to your WhatsApp code. Facebook send me code. Okay, this is the code. I think not. This is wrong. Wait a moment. 683385. Okay, this is the code. Just click on the confirm, and you have WhatsApp link with the Facebook account. And they said, do you want to add button in Facebook page as a WhatsApp?